Alright, I know most of you guys are sick and tired of all of these make money online methods, claiming that we can earn this amount and that amount online in a day or in an hour or even in a month, right? So in this video, I'm going to be attempting these make money online methods, and in particular, this application right here. Alright, so apparently we can be earning $100 in a day.
As you can see, you can start to earn $100 a day by completing your favorite jobs and opportunities on Prograd.
Let's give it a shot. Hopefully it works. If it works, I'll let you guys know. If it doesn't work, I'll let you guys know as well. I'll make it my mission to waste my time so you guys don't waste your time. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this!
Sign up yourself to Prograd and log into it. Once you log in, the Prograd will start sharing the drops with you, which are basically the side hustle jobs and opportunities that you can take to earn some extra cash online. That might be some apps, surveys, or other simple tasks that you can complete to earn money online. As you can see, you can start to earn $100 a day by completing your favorite jobs and opportunities on Prograd. And you can choose whether you want to take that job task or not. They also have some educational modules where you can learn about investing, budgeting, crypto, and some more personal finance topics which you can take and also earn some extra money online for learning those topics.
Alright, so the app in question is called Prograd, right here. Prograd, personalized ways to get your money up. Alright, so apparently they have like £3 million that's already earned by our pros. Let's be proud of them. Let's be proud of the statistics. I want to be a pro as well. And there are like 250,000 pros and counting. Alright, I'm going to be contributing to the number. Alright, and then on Trustpilot, oh, not too bad. They're on Trustpilot and it's excellent, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.5 stars. That's a good sign. That's for sure a good sign. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start earning right here. Alright, so this is the sign up page. Let's get your money up. How much are you looking to earn? $1 million. That's all I want. Show me the money. When is my birthday? What do we even need to know? Are they gonna sell this information? I don't know. Maybe. But you know what? I'm just gonna put it over here. What's my base camp? This helps us provide better recommendations with opportunities that are close to where you are. Oh god, I can't do it. There are no others. Somewhere not listed. Okay, I'll try with this. Somewhere not listed. What is my 9 to 5? Oh god, I'm back. I just got done sneezing. Alright, so I'm self-employed. Apparently. Or maybe I'm just unemployed. What's the difference? Do they even know? But I'm gonna go with self-employed. What is my ballpark annual income? $0. That's why I'm doing this video. That's why I'm even on this application right now. Tap to start earning. Let's do this! I'm gonna click it. Alright, so we gotta verify our email first before we can actually start doing any of them. So make sure you guys do that as well. Alright, I'm gonna spin the wheel and earn bonus points. Spin. How do I spin? Try a hustle to claim your extra points. Okay, get the bonus. I'm gonna go with the survey over here. Hello? Click get it right here, but nothing's happening apparently. Moving on. Alright, I'm gonna complete surveys right here as well. Get it right here. What? They can't provide a secure connection. Sketchy. Alright, so I'm not gonna carry on. Start. Nothing's happening. Guys, it's not happening. Nothing's happening. Guys, I actually have no idea why nothing's happening. Like, I'm over here. I've already selected a task to complete, to try to do, right? I have to click get it right here, but nothing is happening. You guys can hear the click, right? Nothing! Absolutely nothing. Nothing is happening. I can't even do anything. I can't even watch true crime over here. Their reviews, what are they about? Are they even real? Brilliant channel, blah blah blah. Okay. I've always been a fan. Okay, good for you. Great channel for anyone who lives true crime. Okay, but I can't do it. I can't do anything about it. What's happening? I have no idea. And apparently over here, right, at this Money Academy section, Because in this application, they did mention that not only can we make money online by doing all those different tasks, right? The other thing is that they can also teach us about money, right? About our finances. So this is another feature in this application over here. Complete lessons and build your financial vocabulary. But does it help us earn money? No, it does not. It helps us make more money with the money that we have, but at the first place, we're not even earning yet. So how can I even invest? I can't invest just yet, right? But nonetheless, it's obviously good and it's obviously important to know about your finances and stuff like that, right? It's always good to increase and improve your financial, vocabulary, if you may. Alright guys, so apparently I think it doesn't work once again. Like you guys already saw, right, earlier on, I actually tried to start the activities, but I can't get access, right? I'm not being granted access into the pages where I'm supposed to start making money, apparently. But I mean, I click on it, but I'm not being granted access. That's the thing. So, you know what? Once again, guys, I didn't even earn $100. I didn't even earn $1 a day from this application. I mean, the video did mention that we can earn $100 in a day.
As you can see, you can start to earn $100 a day.
But I can't even earn $1. I can't even try to earn $1, is the thing. I can't even earn 1 cent, right? Man. Alright then, you know what? Once again, this method doesn't work. Unfortunately, guys, but this method doesn't work. Alright, so save your time, right? Save your time. Don't do this application. Don't even try. Don't even bother with this application right here. Alright, so don't waste your time. I waste my time, so you don't waste your time. Alright, so on to the next one.